In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images for Instagram in Later. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your photos so they look their best on the feed and in stories, all without leaving your content planning workspace. Start by signing in to your Later account and heading to the Media Library. This is your central hub where every photo and video you plan to use will live. If you're new to Later, think of the Media Library as your organized shelf. It keeps assets easy to find and ready to edit or schedule. Next, upload the image you want to crop. You can drag and drop it directly into the media library or use the upload button, whichever you prefer. Give the upload a moment to process. If you're handling multiple images, it can help to name or label them so you can spot the right one at a glance later. Once your image appears in the library, click it to open the preview panel. Here, look for the edit option and then select crop. This brings up the cropping workspace where you control the framing of your photo. Cropping is all about guiding the viewer's eye, removing distractions, and matching Instagram's aspect ratios so your post looks clean and professional. Choose the Instagram format that fits your goal. Square or 1:1 is the classic feed look and keeps your grid consistent. Portrait or 4:5 takes up more vertical space in the feed, which can help your content stand out as people scroll. Story or 9:16 fills the entire phone screen vertically and is ideal for stories and reels covers. Picking the right format here saves you time and prevents awkward autocrops later. Now adjust the crop area. Click and drag to reposition the frame and use the edges to zoom in or out. Keep the main subject in a strong focal area, centered for straightforward shots or slightly off-center for a more dynamic feel. Leave a little headroom above faces and avoid trimming off important details near the edges. For text or logos, keep them away from the very top and bottom so they aren't hidden by Instagram's interface. If you find yourself zooming in too much and the image looks soft, consider using a higher resolution original to maintain clarity. When you're happy with the framing, click Save. Your cropped version is now ready in Later's media library, aligned to Instagram's dimensions and set up for a polished post. That's it. Simple, fast, and consistent. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating clean, platform-perfect crops every time you plan your Instagram content in Later.